Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I decided to do a little video series, well, a big video series on my truck. I got a Ram 1500 ecodiesel. It's 2014. 200,000 kilometers on it. So I'm starting a video series here. I'm dubbing it the Mega Service. Basically covering all the fluids and filters that are part of the maintenance on the truck. So yeah, basically it's looking like it's going to be about a 10-part video series. We're going to start off with the most basic of the truck, which is, you know, the engine oil, the filter, get into the fuel filter. We'll hit the front and rear diffs, hit the T-case. I've got an aftermarket transmission pan too, which I've never actually changed the transmission fluid on this truck yet. But from what I've read and seen online, it's really not too bad. Everything on this truck has, you know, a fill and a drain plug. It's pretty simple. You put your quartz in and you square away. So if you're intimidated by working on your own trucks or your own equipment, don't be. This is going to be a really simple video series. I'm going to list exactly what you need, fluid-wise, filter-wise, you know, wrenches and sockets. I'll even include torque specs for the things that are, you know, mission critical, we'll call it. Yeah, so basically I've set it up, like I said, start to finish. It's going to be about 10 parts. I'll probably get into the cost analysis of owning a diesel. Is it worth owning a diesel over the Hemi? You know, there are a lot more, not a lot more, but there is always more maintenance with a diesel than a gas. I can tell you right now that the ecodiesel gets phenomenally more fuel efficiency than the Hemi with the same torque. You know, around 410 pounds. My particular truck is deleted. I've got a stage 1 Celtic tune on it. It's got a muffler, so it's not insanely loud, but I've ditched all that other stuff. It's basically a 3-inch from the exhaust, turbo exhaust straight to the muffler. So, you know, maybe that's why it lasted so long. I don't know, but we'll get into some of the benefits of you know, deleting your truck. Is it worth deleting the truck? That'll be a video on the series here. So I've got a breakdown basically to do a engine oil change, rear diff, front diff, transfer case, transmission fluid and filter change, and a fuel filter change here in Ontario. Sorry, I got my laptop going here to get all the cost breakdowns. Here in Ontario anyways, it was averaging around $2,500 to do that service there. And buying all your own fluid and filters and getting your hands dirty a little bit, it's really not too dirty. It's a really simple truck to work on. Like I said, $540, so we're going to save you over $2,000 on this service. So if that interests you at all, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and yeah, leave a comment if you'd like. So this is going to be the first video of the series, and we'll go forward from here. All right, thanks.